Weeks after the unfortunate bomb attack at Tronglaobi by suspected Kuki militants, family members have claimed the mortal remains of 5-year-old Oinam Tomthin and his infant sister Oinam Yaisuna from Rimes mortuary today. The two children were killed in the tragic bomb attack which was carried out by suspected Kuki militants on the night of April 7. The incident has shocked the people, and ever since people have come out for widespread protest demanding justice for the young victims. Following the request from family members, the mortal remains of the victims have been taken for final rites at Lam Tabung and Phagakchao Ikai today. People gathered at Rims and paid final goodbye to two young children who were killed in their sleep during tragic bomb attack incident. Amid the cries of people who have gathered at Rims, the mortal remains of two innocent children were taken for their final rites.
Hello? Tangan nila, miyot, milay. Oh, nanay, ba't? Oh, ba't I see?